So we're going to deep dive into Antarctica and have a look at all the best finds there. Let's go. First up, we have this disc-shaped object in a pool of water. Could it just be ice or something else? Over here now, and we have this strange pink blob. Sometimes we do see odd colors and glitches on Google Earth, so maybe it is just a camera issue. This one is interesting. It almost looks like a waterfall of blood. But in reality, Antarctica has many rich iron deposits, and they will often appear as bright red patches or streams. Up here now, and we have this unusual object in the water. It's hard to say what it is, maybe rocks, but it does almost look like a whale or some type of craft, like a submarine. If we measure it, we can see that it is approximately 30 meters long. Down here, and we have another strange object in the water. Interestingly, Google Earth has now blurred it out. But if we look at older images, we can see an unidentified object which seems to be emerging from the water. It is a rather odd shape. Could it be some type of craft? Or a sea creature? If we measure it, we can see that it is around 50 meters in length. Why would Google blur this out? Up here now, and we have these rows of pylons. Probably just a research station, but it does look rather interesting. Next, we have what looks like a hole. It could be a body of water, but looks like a hole or cave leading into the rock. Looking over here now, and are these structures attached to the rocks? It's hard to see clearly, but they do appear to be possibly buildings or bunkers. Next, we have these strange red blobs on a rock. It measures 10 meters across, and it's interesting to note that it does not appear before or after October 2012. Up here now, and we have what looks like an entrance leading into the snow. It even looks like it has steps going up to it. The entrance is 80 meters wide, and on the historical images, it is covered by snow. Would you go inside? Next up, we have the classic Antarctica face. This haunting snow scene is everybody's favorite Antarctic enigma. It measures 450 meters wide and 800 meters in length, and it appears on the historical images going back to 1999. Over here, we have some more pylons. And other activity up here. There are many research stations in Antarctica conducting various geological and meteorological experiments. Next, we have some more objects in the snow. And not far away, it looks like another base with various structures and aeroplanes. These look like crosses, but could be small buildings. Up here, and we have what appears to be a disc-like structure embedded in the rock. This one is quite strange. Here is what the whole object might look like uncovered. People claim that this could be a crashed UFO. What do you think? Not far away, we have what appears to be another metallic object embedded in the rock. Here is a clearer picture that somebody took from above. What could this object be? Over here, and we have another cave in the rock. It would be interesting to see what's inside. Up here, there are some strange markings in the snow, which look a bit like steps. What could they be? Next, we have what looks like another hole in the rock. Is it a hole leading inside? Or could it be a body of water? This one is interesting. Various activity and some strange red markings in the snow. Could it be more iron deposits? The historical images also show some other things going on. Up here now, and we have these aeroplanes on the snow. Not that unusual, I guess, but it must be quite a challenge to fly around Antarctica. Next, we have what has been claimed to be another crashed UFO. But if we zoom out, it seems more likely that this is an avalanche of debris that has broken off the hillside and rolled some distance down through the snow. Up here, and we have what appears to be a doorway into the snow. It is clearer on the historical images and does seem to be an entrance leading inside. Finally, we have some nice pareidolia, with the rocks forming the shape of what looks like a horse's head. I hope you enjoyed our tour of these interesting sites in Antarctica. Make sure to like and subscribe.